Number 5, law of inspired action, complementing the law of attraction. So they complement each other, they supplement each other. This law emphasizes the importance of taking intentional and inspired action based on the law of attraction or based on the law of assumption. This is the same thing. Okay, you can't just you can't have wishful thinking. Okay, you have the wish fulfilled. You have the wish fulfilled. That's the only way that you think, but you take inspired action towards that thing. So as soon as you start to be like, all right, this is how a millionaire thinks, and that could be in the form of transforming your thoughts, transforming your emotions, transforming your habits, your habitual construction. While positive thoughts set the stage, meaningful and purposeful actions are considered essential for realizing one's goals and desires. So you have to be in the same inspirational action that attracts the attraction and the assumption of what you are desiring and what your goals are based on that law of attraction. Number 6, this is one of my favorites, law of perpetual transmutation and energy. Okay, this law builds on the overstanding that energy is never static, so it's just like the law of vibration. It is always in constant motion and can be consciously directed or indirected consciously. Listen to that. By consciously channeling energy towards positive ends and transforming negative energy into positivity, individuals have the potential to uplift their own experiences based on the contribution positively into the world of their vibrations. So you have to actually see that, okay, what does the law of perpetual transmutation really say? It means that just because you were born in a negative thing, you can actually take that and transform into the same amount of positivity as it was negative. So it's not about the victim mindset, okay? And then not only that too, is transmutation is taking nothing and turning it into something, taking negatives into positive, infrared into ultraviolet. You know, you could see negative into positive, so you can see the correlation of the alchemization of it, the transmutation of it, the transformation of it, and it's not playing that victim mindset, and it's also based on frequency. So you could be on this frequency, and this frequency ladders to this frequency, which is going way faster. So, but you have to first be on this frequency, you know, climb the frequencies, climb the solfeggio frequency wavelengths of vibration. Surf the wavelengths, dude. Surf the wavelengths. Number 7, the law of cause and effect, also known as the law of karma, which we are going to get into the 12 laws of karma right after this. The principle highlights the idea that every action produces a corresponding reaction, okay, or every response correlates a new response. It underscores or overscores the notion of personal responsibility, encouraging individuals to be mindful of their actions and potential consequences that they might generate. So it's teaching you to be more and more conscious and conscientious and integrate integrity more and more into your life. So obviously, like, we do mess up, but by catching yourself in those mistakes, by catching yourself in some of those things, and then not fulfilling or going all the way through with it, and then transmuting that, that's really the goal of the journey. That's really the goal of the journey is like to catch yourself in some of the mistakes and be like, all right, I'm not going to go any farther. I'm going to continuously grow and actually transmute any of that into positivity. Okay, so that's something that I do. Now, law of karma too is beingness. So it's being in the state of the cause. It's being it because why? Because I am being, behaving, behavior, behaving. It's how you are being and what you believe that you are having. Okay, how you believe. Same with law of karma. So the law of beingness. So when you're on the frequency of, so karma means action. So as you are in the action and the habitual action of doing it, you attract the same vibration of doing it. So it's about being in the highest, most high frequency of vibration, which we are in. So we are in the highest frequency vibration, which attracts the most high frequency vibration. Number 8, law of compensation. The law reflects that the universe compensates individuals for their contributions and efforts. It emphasizes the reciprocal nature of giving and receiving, suggesting generosity and positive contribution to the world for being rewarded for the first action ultimately. And so because it says the law reflects. Okay, so the law of compensation is you do things and you're compensated. You are rewarded for those things. So you build proper habitual construction, you are inherently compensated for the habitual construction that you have, the programming that you've built, the conditioning that you've built. And so